Hey, in this lecture we talk about time. First, we make an example. Okay, we say if we have a green candle, if a bullish candle, show label on that. Okay, like this. No, we want, for example, show labels from this side. We don't want to show labels before that this side. What can we do? And we want the user can change it. We use input and we use time. My time input dot time. For default value we use time stamp function. We write our year, our month. Here is the same. You can set any time and any month and any day for you. Okay, it's on you. And o'clock and okay. Oh, before that a day. Like this. Okay, we save. And let's see. Here we see our input. Okay, here is our input. We can change from here, so we can with this. Let's implement it in code. Use it in code. We say if time is bigger than, is after than my time, so then show label is okay. So as you see, after that my time I've set it show. For example, here after here is will show. Okay, for example, here after here is will show. Okay, it was our first example. Second example, determine new day. We use bg color. We want to determine with bg color. We say we use a title change function. It's clear, his name is clear. It's mean if change a value, so return a value. Okay, otherwise it will return 0. So we say if our time in our time for daily. Okay, if our daily time change, so it means new day came. Okay, so like the if is not 0, so paint background with red color, otherwise no, do not do anything. And because we are in daily time frame, but here in less than daily time frame, in every new day we have. Okay, here is Saturday, because excuse me, UTC. Okay, default is UTC, and as you see, here is Tuesday, here's Wednesday. Okay, here is Saturday, here is Sunday, and here is new day. Okay, like this. And if we change time zone, for example, if we are to go to New York time zone, what will happen here? Then it doesn't determine correctly. We should add a time zone too. Okay, we should add time zone. Our time zone UTC -5, but before that we add session too. Okay, for session we want to cover all day and all of day and all day, so we write this. Okay, cover all day and cover all days of week. Okay, so as you see now it's determined correctly. Okay, it's determined correctly. And for example, let's determine new months. Yes, November, here is December. Okay, so here we want, for example, determine, for example, third week. Okay, determine, for example, second week. Determine second week in every month. So let's we come back to UTC and we delete this. We don't need this anymore. We use BG color too, but this time with yellow. What happened? Yeah, I should have. Okay, BG color, and we say if week of year. I wanted to show you something. Week of year, day of month, day of week. Okay, for example, because I want to show some built-in function, I don't want to make some function. So for example, if second, for example, day of in a month. Okay, so to determine, to show second day of in a month, we use a day of month. Okay, if day of month equal to 2, so color dot yellow, otherwise not. Let's see result. Here is our first day, here as our second. Okay, it's correct. For example, we can change it to 5. Okay, so here is our first, second, third, fourth, and 5. Okay, so it works